Hi everybody. It is a beautiful fall day here and I was inspired to cook, which I always am. And I was looking up recipes in a cookbook that I've had forever. And this is the cookbook, Emerald's TV Dinners. It's from 1998. And I went through it and I got so inspired with some of these recipes that I've had forever. And the one that I'm going to do today, he's got it in the book called Apple Annie's Fur, which means apples baked in a cast iron skillet. So I have 3 pieces to it. I'm going to put them all together, put it in the oven, and we'll have a little apple cake for later, which I'm really excited about. So there is one step are the apples. They've been sauteed in butter, and I put a little cinnamon on top. Already looks fantastic, right? So that's the bottom. Then the middle is this caramel sauce that I made, and that is going to get drizzled on top of the apples. And then the third piece is the cake layer, and that has milk, flour, eggs, vanilla, and some sugar. What I did to upgrade the recipe is I put coconut milk, I used the monk fruit, 0-calorie sugar, I used eggs. Everything else is pretty standard, but I just tried to replace some of the recipes that were in, or some of the ingredients that were in the recipe to make them a little bit more contemporary and a little bit more healthy, a little bit less sugar. The sweetener that is in Emerald's recipe is white sugar and brown sugar. I used the pure cane sugar and also some brown sugar and a little molasses. And so look at that, caramel sauce is just like to die for amazing. So I'm really excited. We're going to put the pieces together. I'm going to put it in the oven and I'll post a picture of it later. My name is Janet and I'm a health coach. And if you would like to learn healthy recipes, upgrade recipes, don't be shy in your kitchen. If you have any questions, please message me on Facebook. I would love to help you upgrade and be healthy all the way through the holiday season and into next year. Have a great day.